Since its foundation in 1995, Chemicon has been in the field of building chemistry and equipment. It is a company that has accumulated abundant experience and superior technology. Our motto is a total solution that encompasses raw material supply to formulation, product development, and construction. We have been striving to secure the best quality products and professionals. Chemicon has achieved continuous growth through ceaseless innovation and technological development. We are ready to lead the rapidly changing 21st century's building chemicals industry. Chemicon supplies cement secondary products and building chemicals for the special dry mix mortar industry in Korea. All raw materials supplied by Chemicon go through a systematic procedure that includes a wide range of performance tests and quality control to ensure the best performance, just right for each customer's needs. Also, to quickly respond to technological changes in the global construction market, we have established our very own research center since 1995, conducting various research and development projects. Chemicon has expanded its business by establishing multiple subsidiary companies. Chemicon System introduces and supplies construction equipment from globally recognized global manufacturers and is committed to customer satisfaction by engineering customized equipment tailored to customer requests. Chemicon System also offers fast and efficient local repair services for all of its machines and provides the right training program to help its customers operate them without trouble. BuildChem is a high-end dry mix mortar manufacturer that focuses on introducing new technologies and products in the market and supporting Chemicon's customers by providing toll manufacturing options. BuildMaster is an application company that specializes in special flooring projects. P&C Tech is a marine paint manufacturer with its unique technology in anti-fouling paints for the marine industry. Over the years, Chemicon's quality-driven values have become our most significant strength to stay healthier and grow more prominent in the rapidly changing 21st century. Together, we will continue to build a better future by providing our customers with faster, safer, and more sustainable solutions. Paint the future. Chemicon.